So hello friends, today in this lecture I will discuss on another problem which is asked in the BARC OCS DGFS 2020 examination. Question is, what will be the current density? What will be the current density for the wave traveling with wave function psi x equals to a exponential I kx? And option is h cross k by m mod a square, 2h cross k by m mod a square, I cross k by m mod a square minus h cross k by 2m mod a square. These are the four options. Now you have to calculate the current density for this wave function. So first of all, I will write down the expression for the current density and then I will calculate step by step the current density. So the current density formula J is given by IH cross by 2m psi del psi star minus psi star del psi. Psi star is nothing but complex conjugate of this wave function. So if you write in one dimension, because the wave function is given only with x component, so it's one dimensional. So the J means current density will be IH cross by 2m psi del psi star minus psi star del psi over del x. Now what will be psi, as it is given I exponential kx, and what will be the psi star? Psi star will be nothing but a star exponential minus I kx. So putting these values in this equation, we will get J equals to IH cross over 2m. Psi will be just a exponential I kx, and del over del x, a exponential minus I kx minus a star exponential minus I kx del by del x, a exponential I kx. So now if you will solve this equation, then you will get a exponential I kx, and it will be just a star and minus of I k exponential minus I kx minus का a star exponential minus I kx I k a exponential I kx. On rearranging these terms, you will get IH cross by 2m. This a and a star will be nothing but mod a square, and it will be just minus of ik. This ikx and ik minus ik will be 0, and this ik mod of a square exponential minus ik plus ikx. So this will be IH cross over 2m, and this will be mod of a square and minus of 2ik. This will be just 1, because exponential 0 equals to 1 हो जाएगा. So the 2 and 2 will be cancel out, so it will be just mod of a square h cross k over m, and minus I square is nothing but 1. So our answer is h cross k by m into mod a square. So this is the procedure how to solve this current density. So what will be the correct answer? Option A is the correct answer. So this is the way how to calculate the current density. So guys, if you like this video, so please subscribe, share and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for